All right, Chapter 3, Lesson 2, Developing Your Personal Identity and Character. All right, so when we start talking about your personal identity, basically we're talking about those characteristics that make you unique and make you an individual. And, that's the great thing about being human is that you are unique and you are your own person. And to really grasp a hold of those pieces that are unique about yourself and be who you are. Um, the term role model there, we talked a little bit about that in the first unit, but just trying to find those people in your life who have had some successes or some behaviors that you really, really admire, and not necessarily trying to be that person, but just trying to emulate some of those qualities that you would like to see in yourself, that you see in that person. And then, what is your personality comprised of? It's a complex set of things that make you unique: your interests, your family, your friends, your hobbies, your ethnicity, your appearance, your values, your choices, all things that just make you who you are. All right, character, great topic. Those qualities that describe not just who you are, but how you think, how you feel, and the way that you behave, um, is really, really fundamental to your character. Um, as you see, those 6 traits of character are there. You'll have a web quest that you'll be working on, those six traits of good character. Really, my favorite definition of character is just what are you doing when when you don't think people are watching you, and when people aren't around. That kind of describes what good character is. And at the bottom there, you see the uh, vocabulary word integrity, and that is a firm observance of those core ethical values that you have. Those things that you're not wishy-washy on. Those things like, being trustworthy and not lying, and just things that you just say to yourself, I won't budge on these pieces, make you who you are and show us your integrity. So when you're trying to work toward a positive identity, what are some tips that you can do to promote it? Well, basically, try to come up with a good list of skills and strengths that you possess. Try to surround yourself with people that are supportive. Those people that, again, like I said in the last screencast, just people that make you feel good about who you are and what you do in a positive way. Find things that you love to do, and do them as much as you can. It sure makes life a lot more enjoyable when we're doing things that we really enjoy. And if you're like me, I'm really lucky because I love to teach and I love to coach, and I get paid for that. And if you can find a job that you just absolutely are passionate about and you love, it sure makes that job a lot more worth going to, and a lot more fulfilling. Try not to judge yourself with other people. Don't make it a contest. Life is about you feeling good about yourself and your accomplishments and overcoming your little failures that we all have, not about what your next door neighbor or your best friend has. And then the last one there is, what? Helping other people out really make you feel good about yourself. And if you ever are have an opportunity to help someone else, you sure make them feel good about that situation, but you also make yourself feel really well as well. All right, so some of those things that we need to do toward working toward a positive um, identity also includes, just that whole constructive criticism piece again. You have to try to get yourself to, improve, because life is about, failures and then successes and trying to get yourself to improve, but just making sure that we're having those constructive criticism discussions with ourselves are very helpful. And then the last one, or a couple that are down there, is avoiding health risk behaviors. Obviously, not using tobacco, not using drugs, trying not to be reckless driving, not joining gangs or other groups that are negative influences on us. And then the last one there down there at the bottom, contributing to community. I mean, it's a pretty amazing, uh, as much need as there is out there right now for community involvement and trying to make this place the best place it can be.